The big breaking news is about the all-party meeting that was chaired by Amit Shah on Delhi. COVID crisis is now over. The BJP has suggested that private hospital charges be fixed. BJP has also demanded waiving off of the testing charges by 50%. That's the latest that is coming in at the moment. This has been accepted. That's also what we're picking up. Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh has said there will be 8,000 tests a day from 18th of June onwards. That's the latest that is coming in. Kamaljeet Sandhu getting us all the very latest details on this story. Kamaljeet, if you could just walk our viewers through all what transpired as far as the all-party meeting that took place. We do know the presidents of the BJP, Aam Aadmi Party, Congress Party, Bahujan Samajwadi Party, the Congress Party. They were all present at this meeting to discuss the situation as it stands with the COVID crisis here in the national capital as well. One big takeaway which I'm picking up is that the private hospital charges will be fixed, and that's a suggestion that is coming in from the BJP. Questions now arising on whether the private hospitals would agree and whether the other parties have agreed to the suggestion.
These were present in the meeting with Amit Shah. The big takeaway is that there's a new test in the offering which will be only at the cost of rupees 450. This is what Sanjay Singh said. The test will be conducted within 15 minutes. The results will be out whether a person is positive or negative. The other bit is obviously about having resources within the political parties. There was obviously one upmanship, the BJP saying from 18th onwards there will be 10,000 or more than that kits which will be distributed every single day, especially in and around Delhi. The other part was whether the Congress Party, which has been saying have a strict lockdown in containment zones, also fixed responsibility for the spread of COVID, demanding that fourth-year students, whether it is of farmers or for that matter doctors, who are almost trained should be brought in, because the frontline workers, which includes the nursing staff and the doctors, seem to be exhausted. Use schools, colleges, stadiums, university hostels as isolation centers was some of the suggestion of the Congress Party. Then there was obviously the Aam Aadmi Party, which says increase the testing. And we've been told the number is not 8,000 but 18,000 per day. That's a huge spike in terms of testing. But again, the result has to be very much available. More aggressive contact tracing has to take place. A number of suggestions being made. We've been told there's going to be a follow-up of the meeting as far as the Chief Minister and the LG conference is concerned. But for this matter, all-party meeting has put onus and responsibility not just on government institution but also political workers.
A reaction coming in from Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh on the meeting that has just concluded. Let's listen into what he has to say.
हमारी मीटिंग तो आज ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग थी, ये होम मिनिस्टर जी के साथ थी। अब आने वाले दिनों में सीएम की और एलजी साहब की या दूसरे लोगों की जो मीटिंग होगी उसमें चीजें तय होंगी। 20 तारीख से टेस्टिंग 18,000 पर डे करने का लक्ष्य रखा गया है, तो टेस्टिंग भी बढ़ेगा, बेड्स की भी, और जो बढ़ाने की बात मैंने बताई स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के हॉस्पिटल, उसमें रखने की बात। लॉकडाउन को लेके कोई चर्चा नहीं हुई, लॉकडाउन को लेके किसी भी तरह की कोई चर्चा नहीं हुई। वो अपनी ओर से कुछ लोग कयास लगा रहे थे, लेकिन उस संदर्भ में कंटेनमेंट जोन में डोर टू डोर सर्वे और टेस्टिंग पूरी तरीके से करने की बात कही गई।
All right, 18,000 tests a day. That is the target that has been set by the Aam Aadmi Party MP. We just got that reaction. We played that out for you here on India Today as well.